Hey guys, Credit Shuffle here. Well, I'm at home because of a so-called snowstorm. Here, take a look. This is what a snowstorm looks like in New Jersey. I think it's looks more like a rainstorm to me. Anyway, so one Reddit user was recently taking some survey which asked some questions about a product that Chase potentially might be pitching to the market sometime soon. They're calling it something like Chase Sapphire Banking or Reserve Banking, and it's basically sort of a sort of high-end bank account. I like to think of it as a kind of a poor man's Chase private client. You'll understand why in a second when we have a look at some of the details. So let's go to some of the images that this guy screenshotted and posted on Reddit about the potential account. Okay, so this is kind of the main image that talks about the benefits of the account. So the first item, banking at your fingertips, seamless digital access. Well, you basically have that already, so I don't think that's anything new. But then we have no fees on ATM transactions, foreign exchange fees, and even things like counter checks, money orders, and cashier's checks. Cashier's checks are normally like $15 or something. So that really is a great saving. You get a relationship savings rate. Not exactly sure what that means, but obviously it's going to be a little bit of a better rate to the regular consumer banking products. You get higher ATM withdrawal limits. That's not really anything major, but whatever. Okay, earn more rewards. So you get a 10,000 UR point bonus each year for having this checking account and a credit card. And I'm assuming that this bank account, it doesn't say here, but I'm assuming this bank account is probably only going to be eligible for people who have either the Sapphire Preferred or Sapphire Reserve, since they're considering calling the account one of those two names, Sapphire or Reserve Banking. And they mention here that you have to have the credit card in addition to get the 10K bonus. So I'm assuming it's going to be targeted at CSP and CSR members. Okay, let's have a look at the next thing. So this is talking about investing. So preferred pricing with digital investing solutions. I guess that's probably referring to maybe some ETFs and funds, mutual funds or whatever that have lower fee, that they're going to give you lower fees if you have this account. And then you can receive 500 fee-free trades. I'm assuming that possibly is per year. But it doesn't say. So that could just be after you open the account, you have 500 fee-free trades in there. I'm really not sure. And then we have auto discounts. So a discount rate of 0.5% interest on the on refinanced auto loans. Access to certain manufacturer discounts. We're not clear what that is yet. Then we have some mortgage benefits, which is really, really good. So 75,000 bonus UR points and $500 cashback with a new mortgage. And you also get a discount of 0.5%, no origination fees, no annual fee with a new home equity line of credit. So that is actually a significant discount if you're thinking about getting a mortgage. And you get access to a relationship banker, dedicated line of service. I'm not sure whether these are going to be the same relationship bankers as Chase Private Client. We really don't know because this is just market research. So those are most of the major benefits. Now let's look at how you get this account. Well, basically, you can actually open this account, well, it seems, for a $25 monthly fee. So that would be a $300 annual fee. I'm assuming probably you would have to have the Chase Sapphire Reserve or Chase Sapphire Preferred, although that's not mentioned, but just because of the name, I'm assuming that. Now, if you want to avoid this $25 monthly fee, which is $300 a year, and get a 50,000 UR point bonus, you have to deposit $75,000 in new money. So that's not money that was in any other Chase account. You have to bring it from another institution within 10 days of opening your account, and then you have to maintain that balance for 90 days. You maintain the balance for 90 days, and that'll get you the 50,000 bonus. But if you drop below $75,000 in the account, you'll then have to start paying the $25 monthly fee. But this money doesn't have to be just in your checking account or savings account. It can also be invested with various, just in stocks or funds or, probably 401k with Chase or whatever. So it's actually realistic that people, we're not talking about like young people like early 20s, but, maybe people in their 30s or whatever who have been paying money into a 401k for 10, 15 years or something, it's pretty realistic that they could have 75,000 that they could, open a 401k with Chase. So from Chase's point of view, I think this is kind of like a money grab. They just want people to move their 401ks or their investment portfolios from other banks and brokerages over to Chase, and they're going to entice them with some nicer benefits. If you just want a prestigious account and you don't have the 75,000, you're willing to pay an annual fee, you could just pay $25 a month, it seems, for this account. And just lastly here, you can see this question was on the survey for the name of the account. Basically, how appealing is each of the following names for this offering: Chase Reserve Banking or Chase Sapphire Banking? All right, guys, so that's that. That's sort of the rundown of the potential account. Remember, this may or may not be offered. Chase is just doing market research with this, so it may turn out that they're not going to actually do it. But a lot of times we report on these things and they do actually turn out to happen, like the Hilton Diamond status card we reported on like a year and a half ago. It actually became a thing. I think this does look like the sort of thing that could happen, so look out for it in the future. And please leave your comments below. Do you think this would be something good? Is it the sort of account that you would sign up for? Would you even consider paying the annual fee, the monthly fee, for this account if you didn't have 75,000 points? From my point of view, a lot of the benefits from this account can actually be offered by other accounts. For example, Charles Schwab offers the no ATM fees, no foreign transaction fees on their debit card. I think Robinhood offers that trading app offers fee-free trades. So you could get a lot of the benefits from having accounts with several other institutions. But this is all those benefits rolled into one, plus bonus UR points. And probably there'll be some sort of swanky looking debit card. I don't know. Let me see if I can make a mock-up of what that might look like. That would be cool, right? Let's make it out of it'll be made out of vibranium. Anyway, guys, so leave your comments below. What do you think about this account? Do you hope that it becomes a thing, or do you think it's nothing to write home about? As always, please subscribe for more credit card tips and tricks almost every day, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.